Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two project management tools. First one is ClickUp and the second one is Trello. We will go through some pros and cons. I will tell you more about these products. We will go through pricing plans, and also in the end I'll try to tell you which one is better, at least in my opinion. So let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp is a simple cloud-based collaboration and project management tool created for all user types. With ClickUp, you have all the features needed to help simplify and streamline your processes, including sales, marketing, design, and development. ClickUp features an agile board view that allows you to monitor every task on your team in one board and assign tasks to various members of the team. Tasks progress can be viewed in form of percentage and can be marked either resolved or in progress. Or users can alternatively customize their task progress statuses. A Gantt chart lets you view your tasks in timeline by list or person and automatically add updates in real time. ClickUp organizes task management in a hierarchical manner and allows you to sort tasks according to their priority. This property allows for improved productivity and lets you to structure your projects by assigning tasks to groups and arranging those groups under different categories. The software can be seamlessly integrated to Slack and similar apps through Zapier. The machine learning capability of the software assists project managers, give realistic timeframes for completion of projects, and lets teams accomplish their task before the deadline. I prepared for you some view into ClickUp. So as you can see, this is our workplace, and it works vertically, not horizontally, like Trello, for example, but we'll get there in a minute. And as you can see, you can start with a list in your workspace and then go through, for example, this done window can be, for example, your tasks that are already done and the assigned people. There are due dates, for example, priorities, and also in this test window, you can attach files or upload them. You can alternate these columns by adding more, like email, phone, location, task, progress, and stuff like that. So it's very easy. I really like the transparency and the easygoing of ClickUp. They are providing one free plan, which is free forever. So if you want to check it out by yourself, you easily can. And also go through 3 plans. First one is unlimited, then business and business plus. It's a price per member a month. So if you have lots of employees, it can get pretty costly. But there is enterprise option for you to contact them and contact sales. And basically they will tailor the offer for you. So let's go and check Trello. Trello organizes your projects and day-to-day tasks through the creating note cards on dashboard. The software can also be used as a trip planner, a side project, a community bulletin, and even or an idea repository. Tasks and ideas can be noted on the Trello card. Alongside, the work progress can also be tracked. The user can sort and organize these cards based upon their categories. A quick overview is displayed on the front of the cards, flipping which the user can dive into more detailed information such as checklists, due dates, comments, attachments, etc. There is a progress meter that adds a checklist to organize your to-do list. You can also attach documents and multiple files to the cards. For pricing, they're basically going only with 3 options. It's free if you want to check it out, same as ClickUp. then business class and enterprise. So there is $10 user a month. You can't even, I mean, not always you can fit into those categories. And then there is just enterprise option, which is basically something that they are not like able to tailor the option for you. But as they said, it can be used even as a trip planner and stuff like that. So Trello has a wide spread of effectiveness. So in that case, I would really love to go with ClickUp. Even if you're a smaller company, if you're a bigger company, it's way more readable than, for example, this. Because this is how Trello looks, and those are the resources, weekly assignments. There's just a lot of boards, a lot of blank spaces. It can look nice. I mean, don't get me wrong, you can min-max it to look really nice, but this is for me way more readable. So I would definitely go with ClickUp. That's about it, guys. I will leave the links in the description underneath this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, press a like and subscribe, and we will see each other on the different video or in the next one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.